Good morning, students. How are you all? Today I have made this video to give you people an introduction to Euler's formula. Well, it's written as EULER apostrophe S, but it's pronounced as Euler's formula. So basically, this is a formula that links or connects the faces, edges, and vertices of a polyhedron. So, for example, we can use this formula if we are given any two of the things or entities in a polyhedron, like we are given the faces, the number of faces a polyhedron has, and the number of vertices a polyhedron has. Then if we have to find the number of edges, we can find it using this formula. So basically we are finding the missing value over here. So what is the formula? The formula goes like this: faces plus vertices minus edges equals to 2. That is, whatever the number of faces, the number of vertices you add, and then you subtract the number of edges from this, you should get 2. Alright, so for example, a cube has number of faces has 6, and number of vertices are given as 8, and you have to find the number of edges in a cube. So how are you going to find it? You have this formula, you put the number of faces in place of f, you put the number of vertices in place of v, and then you can just add them up, and then you will work out the formula to find the number of edges. Okay? So faces plus vertices minus edges equals to 2. Now let's do this. Faces 6, vertices 8. We don't know the edges, so we are going to write E. 6 plus 8 is 14. Since here is one equal sign, therefore I'm not writing the equal sign on the left of the solution, because there can be only one equal sign in one step in a mathematical solution. So 6 plus 8 is 14 minus E equals to 2. Now we have E over here, but still we have to find E. So what can we do is, we have 14 and this 2 that we are going to work out to find E. So I think the easier way to do this would be that we take this E over here and bring this 2 over here. So since it's minus E, it goes over here, it becomes plus E, and then in the next step we take 2 to this side of the equal sign. If it's plus over here, it becomes minus. So 14 minus 2 is how much? 12. So the number of edges a cube has are 12. Okay, now I have a tetrahedron, a polyhedron with 4. Tetra means 4 faces. We identify the polyhedrons by the number of faces they have. So we have a tetrahedron that has 4 faces. Now, as it's clear from its name, it has 4 faces. It has, okay, we don't know, for example, the number of vertices, and we know the number of edges it has, that is like 6. So let's find the number of vertices in this polyhedron with the help of the Euler's formula. F plus V equals to E minus, okay, the Euler's formula that we have done so far, we have done it like this: F plus V minus E equals to 2. We can write it like this as well: F plus V is equals to E plus 2. It's like this. It can be done like this. So let's put the value of F over here, that is 4. We don't know E. We know E is 6, and there is 2. 4 plus V equals to 6 plus 2 is how much? 8. Now we need to find V. So since V is already positive, we will keep this V over here. We will take it to the side of the equal sign, the 4. It's plus here. We are going to take it over here. It becomes minus. So V is equals to 8 minus 4, 4. So the number of vertices is 4 in a tetrahedron. I hope that is clear to all of you. Now again, I'm just taking another example. For example, we don't know the number of faces in a polyhedron. Let's take cube once again. Now this time we don't know the number of faces. We are going to find the number of faces. We know the edges are 12 and we know that the vertices are 8. So we need to find f. What are we going to do is, again the formula f plus v minus e is equals to 2, or the other way, f plus v equals to e plus 2. It can be done both ways. Okay, so we don't know f, so we are going to write it as it is. V is 8 over here. E is, we are using this formula, alright? Don't confuse yourself. E is 12 over here equals to 2. So plus 8 minus 12. Now one is positive and the other is negative, so we are going to subtract obviously. But here we have to see that since 12 is the larger number and it has the negative sign, so the answer will be negative once we subtract. 8 minus 12 is minus 4 equals to 2. So f minus 4 is equals to 2. Now I will take this minus 4 to this side and we will have our f2. Okay, since this is negative over here, if I take this over here, it becomes positive. So 2 plus 4 is how much? 6. So the number of faces a cube has is 6. And we have done this previously as well, that a cube has 6 faces. Basically, a cube is called a hexahedron because it has 6 faces and we use the word hexa for 6. I hope this video was clear to all of you. And give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.